Hey, I just discovered these fantastic new features that everybody was waiting for. It's in preview. There's some bugs, but it's very promising. So when you're in a meeting recap, you have the AI summary, and now you can create your own summary, or you can use summary made by Microsoft. So you have a speaker summary. So it's probably following some instructions from Copilot to present the summary of this meeting in a certain way by speaker. So here I was alone in the meeting. You have another template which is executive summary, and you have a project status summary. So there's three examples. But what is really key here is to create your own. So I'm going to do that, and you're going to see it. You can give it a name. So I'm going to say okay, I can name it. It gave me, already instructions, but I have my own. I think I have that in my clipboard somewhere. So just like you were prompting, give the instructions. And that might interest you, the way I want it to be structured. I want bullet points. I want to avoid gender assumption. I want to exclude personal discussion. That's good recommendations. I don't want any emojis around. At the end, I generate a summary of email for an email. And then what I want to be presented as meeting fields, the title, the internal attendees, external attendees, if there are some, summary, key perspective, key topics, etc., and answer questions. So that was not in any template that Microsoft was providing. So you can create several templates, and you can, test it on your template because you want to preview it to see if it's working and adjust your instructions, because at the beginning I asked to create a table and it was a messy table. It was not really a table, so I asked to do a normal presentation without the table. So you can fine tune, you can test to see if it works or not. So here I think it's working well, and when you're good, you can save and apply. So the only problem I have today is when I do that, I cannot come back on the template and modify it. But I'll show you one thing. So I'm going to save the template, and now it's going to show here. It should show here. Where is it? Hopefully it will show. I should see my new template. Oh, here it is. It's at the end. So I don't know, I cannot move it around. So next section. So you see now I have my meeting template. I don't know if you have other meeting. Let's try if I have to see if I have another meeting. But now for other meetings, you can apply the same. Let's see if there's a recap in this one. No, but you can see that my template is now available in all my meetings. So I can apply it in all my meetings now. So you can create several templates. Last thing I wanted to show, so first you can create another one, but you cannot pick up the edit. There's no edit button of my previous template. This is really weird. So it's in preview. The last thing I want to show is that I was curious, where does it store the instructions and everything? So I looked, maybe it's in recording. So I go into my OneDrive in recording, and sure enough, there's a folder, custom summary templates. And here it is. But if I open it, there's no extension. But when I download the file and open it in Notepad, I could see, so we can show you what it is. Let's download that. Open it. And let's open, I guess that's this one. If I open it with Notepad, I should be able to see the content, so you can see it's some sort of XML file, or I'm not sure if it's even XML. It's a structured file in a way. So here's what is created. So I'm guessing you could come here, change it with Notepad, upload it without any extension, and that's how you can change. But I think Microsoft is going to release something because definitely it's not a good experience to edit the template. So that's really amazing, and that's one of the problem we have with the meeting recap. It was just one way to format it, and now you can build your own. I don't know if it's going to come to the tenant level where you can apply meeting templates that are corporate, maybe several ones. Probably it's going to come in the future. I didn't see if it was coming. It was, I saw it by surprise. There was no announcement, nothing. That's a nice surprise from Microsoft. Try a custom summary, and don't forget it's in preview. Hope this was insightful.